Everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how you can verify a Cash App. So in order to verify a Cash App, first thing first, you'll need to follow the instruction as guided. So then to begin with, you'll need to first step is download the Cash App. Once you're done downloading, then you'll need to open the app to the blank page asking you if you'd like to sign up via email or your phone number. After you've done that, now moving on with the other interface, what you'll have to do is once you entered your contact information, you'll be receiving a code to the email or phone number. So you need to use the code to verify your email or the phone number. Once you're done entering the information, click the next button located right at the bottom. So once done entering the code, tap the next button. Under the interface, you need to enter your info. So after you've verified your info, you'll need to enter your name and create what's called a cash tag. So this is a specialized username that you can use to send and receive money as well. Cash tag has been created, tap the next button, and that's how you've officially verified a Cash App. Now you can use it, link your words and all, link your card or bank account, send money, receive money, invest, and much more. So in this way, you can verify your Cash App. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.